Hi, hello, thanks for joining me. I am Bev from Inkwell Arts, and today I thought I would show you how to make a lampshade. I am repurposing an old lampshade here, and you'll need plenty of fabric. I have cut the fabric into strips. And I've chosen particular colours that are going to match the room that I'm putting the lampshade up in. So I've gone for like a Mexican kind of colour theme, lots of bright colours. So basically the first step is to deconstruct your lampshade that you're going to recycle. Now when you tie the fabrics, you're going to tie them from top to bottom if you have a 2-ring lampshade like I do. You can tie them across if you have a lampshade that has the steel bars all the way down, but I don't. And also what I'm going to do is, there are no steel bars holding the top and the bottom together, so I'm just going to leave a strip at each side of the lampshade that's currently on here, and then I'm going to cut around the ring here. Okay, so I have my frame structure here, and then you can, if you want, reinforce these sides. It doesn't hold up very well, but that doesn't matter really. You just want to be able to tie your fabric at the top and at the bottom here. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do now. After lots of tying and wrapping around, this is my finished lampshade. So I'm going to go hang this up now. Hopefully the light will be shining through all these lovely gaps here. I might need to tighten some of these ribbons up when I put it up. I'll see what it looks like. Always room for tweaking if we need to. So there we go, a nice, simple and effective lampshade for you all to make. A bit of upcycling and recycling, so hopefully it hasn't cost you too much. Alright guys, thanks for joining me. Take care. Bye.